Hello guys, this video is for just educational purpose only. We are not your financial advisor. You can do your proper research. Reviews video on tech and new advanced technology. In today's video, I am also going to share like this project Atlas system that is also having launching in June 2026, and we are going to giving you details deep dive about this project about Atlas ecosystem. Atlas where you can easily get a new message from the architect. Yes, here is also the video that explain behind this ecosystem a strong message. Even there is also the Atlas system that is a next generation digital mutual aid. We are also going to get the community movement here. We can also be one of them. Even you want to get details about this decentralized ecosystem, Web3 and MLM, then you can easily open their white paper where you can see a complete evolution history. So here you can also check something new high like this is the project that has new advanced tech, and we are also going to explore about this industry that contain 300 million people. This is a big market. In the Atlas system, this is going to be mutual, and this community has been built with the Web3 and fully decentralized autonomous organization concept. And this architecture can also provide you more secure infrastructure and more scarcity, and there you can also see their product detail. Like if we come here from the product detail, in their cycle 1 there is available at the launch their first pilot financial product. Yes, there is also like when you are going to invite your friends, make a team on it, and their next knowledge hub where some information will be shared on the time, and you can get peer-to-peer exchange. There will be academy, there will be crypto wallet to store your ecosystem, and you can check all the performance ecosystem on such a platform that is going to given you on one interface, one platform for all. You can easily check out the smart cycle behind this project with a full transparency. It's mean there is contract testing. We're lock up for 10 minutes and then you can also go ahead. There is premier. There are some steps that you can start from the opportunities to explore it. And there is also the next one, how it works actually. There one participant will enter, they will do contribution. System also does not create money from outside. Actually, distribution follow the predefined immutable rule that have been written in the smart contract. So this is the digital infrastructure that continue the upgrade that we are also going to open here. Cycle 1, cycle 2 and many other. There are risk management. So in this way, you can also get the referral MLM partners. If you are going to make your friends on this platform, you are going to invite them to explore more opportunities, then Atlas ecosystem is also for you. And but if you want to know further information about this ecosystem, that is possible to watch out. There is a key message. You can check this video can help you to understand, and it can bring all over the global level people on one concept, that is decentralized autonomous organization behind this project. And this is the Atlas system that has mutual benefit. So how this system works, there are some 4 to 5 points like giving help, cycle pool and requesting help. These are the steps, but all these are mentioned in their smart contract. And here you can also check behind this project when a team member will step into it, there will be request generate and their cycle will start. And next is about the smart cycle. As I have already told you that there are 4 to 5 things that we have to consider for the near future, like the smart cycle with the smart contract. There is referral, and where people can easily invite and they can also make a team to grow the network and expanding this ecosystem. They manifest you with some scarcity, with transparency, and all over the global level to come on such a big place. This can be really impressive. So here is smart cycle 1. This is the core, the heart of Atlas ecosystem, I really appreciate this efforts that have been made by the team, as there is also smart contract with a fixed immutable algorithm, so it will redistribute, and it is also the containing information of distribution too, because yield is not coming from the outside, so that's why all the terms fund and everything is going to be managed here. So this is called the heart of ecosystem of this Atlas, and this smart contracted 10 minimum, and there is also the delta, but you are going to choose from different day. Like one day, there is also 0.3%, there is momentum. These are called smart contract test. These are the contract test, and there is also the lockup, and there is also the percentage. So in this way, you can also check daily flow, grow your network on this platform, where you can see 15 to 30, 60% partners delta, as well as their unlimited depth. So you can also get the status, and their compression is really appreciable. And one more thing that architect think about, and they produce the line, the old system was designed to serve power, but new system will design to serve the people. This is also about the humanity. This is about the big concept behind this project. You can easily read these questions that will clarify your doubt, because honesty is a best policy, and these are the best expectation from this platform as for long term in the game section too. So Atlas ecosystem has more feature that we have talked about in today's video, and now you can also check their official white paper, where you can see idea when time will come, and they are also going to making it in real very soon. This is also going to be launched, as you have already checked out. Their team is also available, like Marina, there is Daniel, with their all social media link that you are going to follow. In that, there is also Telegram, their channel, their group, and their YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, where all the information will be shared on the time. So now if you get touch with them, you can easily go ahead, and there is also Smart Cycle, there is a raffle program. I have shown you about their manifesto that serving the people in real. So this can also be helpful for you. If you think this can be helpful, if you like this video, you can share to your friends, follow them on the social media links for upcoming details. And transparency is not a slogan, it is also the main code in this ecosystem. So you can also drop your thought in comment box too. We will appreciate, and we will respond as soon as possible. See you next video. Till then, take care.